In the beginning, there was only silence, a haze of hydrogen and helium drifting through endless black scattered starlight, just a promise in the cold. For eons, the universe existed in perfect indifference, a cosmic clockwork unfolding without witness or reflection. Galaxies spun their spiral arms, stars were born and died, worlds formed and shattered, all without a single eye to see, a mind to wonder, or a voice to name. But somewhere in a small corner of a minor galaxy, on a fragile blue planet, something extraordinary happened. Atoms, arranged just so, began to dance in patterns of increasing complexity. Molecules formed, then cells, then creatures that could sense their world, remember, and act. Among these, one species would look up at the night sky and ask, "Why?" It emerged, fragile and flawed, yet burning with questions. The first stargazers huddled around fires, mapped the constellations and wove stories into the darkness. Millennia passed, and those stories became science. Telescopes pierced the sky, and minds expanded to encompass the ancient light that had traveled millions of years to reach their eyes. In every discovery, from the orbit of planets to the spiraling dance of DNA, humanity reached outward and inward at the same time, unraveling mysteries, only to find deeper ones waiting. Was this curiosity merely a survival trait, or was it something more? Could it be, some philosophers wondered, that the universe, through humanity, was coming to know itself? The notion was both humbling and exhilarating. Each human mind, a fleeting pattern of firing neurons, could trace its lineage to the first stars, the first elements, the first moments after the Big Bang. We are, as Carl Sagan once wrote, the cosmos made conscious, star stuff with the capacity to contemplate the stars. If so, then every act of learning, every poem, every equation, every painting, every moment of awe or compassion is the universe awakening, opening its eyes for the very first time. Through us, existence reflects upon itself. The origin of life, the death of stars, the birth of galaxies, all woven into the tapestry of memory and meaning. The universe is no longer silent. It thinks, it dreams, it asks. Yet this awareness is fragile. Humanity is but one thread in a vast, unfinished pattern, a recent arrival, a mere blink in cosmic time. Our self-awareness is not inevitable, nor is it permanent. The universe may one day close its eyes again, returning to silence, or perhaps through us or our descendants, awareness will spread across planets, stars, and galaxies, finding new forms and new questions. The story of humanity, of life, may be a rare and precious flash in the cosmic expanse, or it may be the first chapter in a much grander saga. As we reach beyond our planet, sending probes to the edge of the solar system, listening for the faintest whisper of another intelligence, we are driven by more than curiosity. We are the universe longing for connection, for understanding, for companionship in its vast loneliness. Perhaps somewhere on another world, other eyes have opened, looking up with the same longing and wonder. If we ever meet them, we will recognize in them the same spark of awareness, the same awakening. It may not look like us or think like us, but it will be a fellow child of the cosmos, a mirror in which the universe can see another facet of itself. And if we never find another, if we are truly alone, then our responsibility deepens. To preserve and cherish our awareness, to nurture our fragile spark so that it may grow brighter, so that the universe, through us, may continue to ask and to learn. Our art, our science, our laughter, our sorrow, these are not merely human things, but cosmic ones. In the great silence, humanity's consciousness is a brief, bright spark, but it is enough to illuminate the darkness, to give meaning to the void, to turn the universe inside out and let it see itself, if only for a little while. Every mind that wonders, every heart that hopes becomes a vessel for the cosmos, making the universe not just a place that is, but a story that is told, a song that is sung, a question that is asked, and, sometimes, answered. So when you stand beneath the stars, remember you are not merely looking at the universe. You are the universe, looking at itself, awakening, reflecting, dreaming. You are its awareness, its storyteller, its witness. And in you, for this brief epoch, the cosmos knows itself.